this is Letty from Kundalini Yoga Life, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to meditate.
We're going to start with easy pose. So cross your legs in front of you comfortably. You can have both feet on the ground, one ankle on top of the other, or bring one foot on top of your thigh. You can sit on a cushion if you feel more comfortable, or even sit on a chair. Balance yourself side to side, opening your glutes so you can really ground yourself through your first chakra, located on the base of your spine, associated with your roots, your survival, and connection with the earth. When this chakra is balanced, it gives you a sense of belonging, of being here and now, always supported, safe, and provided for. It's the energy center that grounds your body, telling you, I'm here, I have all I need, and I have a purpose. Now straighten the spine and tuck the tailbone in, so each vertebra is right on top of the other. This will open up the pathway from the top to the base of your spine, allowing the energy to flow. Start stretching upwards from the base of your spine. Stretch your first vertebra towards the sky. Stretch your second vertebra, your third vertebra, becoming very long throughout the torso. Now bring your shoulders up, roll them back, and down towards your shoulder blades, opening your chest and your heart center. Now you're going to lock your neck. Take your chin slightly down and pull it towards the back of your neck in Jalandhara Band. This will open up the pathway between the top of the head and the heart center through the brainstem to the upper centers of the brain, stimulating the pineal gland. Imagine that a cord is attached to the top of your head, pulling your head and neck up and out of your torso, feeling very elegant. Put your hands or wrists on your knees. Your arms are relaxed, connecting thumbs and index fingers in Gyan Mudra. This hand gesture or seal stimulates knowledge, wisdom, receptivity, and calmness. Now relax your neck, relax your throat, relax your jaw, relax your face muscles, and relax your lips. Place the tip of the tongue against the roof of your mouth, just behind your front teeth. This will activate the 84 meridian points, stimulating the hypothalamus and the pineal gland. Close your eyes and gently raise them to the eyebrow point at the center of the forehead, slightly above the eyebrows. This will activate the central nerve channel of the spine and your pituitary gland, making your entire glandular system secrete, stimulating your sixth chakra located on the third eye, enhancing your intuition, which allows you to see what your physical eyes won't let you see, balancing the chemical composition of your brain which can change your outlook on life. Now start breathing long and deep through your nose, becoming very aware of your breath. Breathe consciously, feeling the full expansion and contraction of your diaphragm. Relax the lower abdominal area. Slowly inhale and press the air consciously into the lower area, expanding the belly. Feeling the full distension in your lower rib cage, in front, on the sides, and on the back. Let the air work its way up, expanding your chest, lifting the upper ribs and clavicle. Hold your breath in, exhale, slowly relaxing the clavicle, contracting your chest, your rib cage, and pulling your abdominal in and up, your navel point towards your spine, forcing out any remaining air. The more air you force out, the more new air is able to go in when you inhale again. Inhale smoothly, feeling how the air goes in through your nose, that prana, that vital force, nourishing and harmonizing your body, mind, and emotions. Exhale smoothly, consciously feeling how your breath cleanses any stress, anxiety, any toxic emotions or thoughts that are preventing you from connecting inward. Whatever it may be, use your breath to purify every cell of your body. Inhale and imagine a bright gold light going in and synchronizing every part of your body. Exhale, washing away any physical, mental, and emotional toxicity, whatever it may be, conscious or unconscious. Use that vital force to purify yourself and let go. Let go of your day. Let go of that to-do list. Let go of all those unanswered messages. Let go of all those emails at work. Let go of that argument. Let go of any image or feeling that is not letting you connect inward. Use every inhale to connect with yourself. Use every exhale to let go. Keep the eye focus at the brow point. This will keep you in the present. Now, thank yourself for creating this time and space to unite your body, mind, and spirit. For uniting your finite self with your infinite self and becoming one with all. Continue with your long, deep breath, keeping the eye focus on your eyebrow point, connecting with yourself, feeling all sensations, good and bad, with no judgments. Whatever you may be feeling, good or bad, it's okay. Just don't judge and let it be. Allow all sensations. Feel all sensations. Now, feel the gravity, that natural force pulling you towards the earth. How does that feel? Your own weight on the ground. Now feel your skin. Maybe you feel a slight breeze. Maybe you feel your clothes. How does that feel? Be very aware of all sensations. Does the skin on your face feel different than the skin on your legs? Now feel your electromagnetic field, that energy that surrounds your body, just like the magnetic field surrounds the planet. It's that body heat that comes out of your skin. How does your aura feel? And if you can't feel it, it's okay. Just imagine how it would feel. Keeping that eye focus on your brow point, keeping that inner connection with yourself. Pay attention to the sound of your breath, listening to a very silent sat when you inhale, and nam when you exhale. Sat means truth, the reality of your own existence. Nam means identity or name. Sat Nam, your true identity. This mantra will attune you to your highest self, affirming that truth is your identity. It's a seed mantra. Within the seed is all the knowledge of the full-grown tree. The sounds realign the habit patterns of your subconscious mind, and it awakens the soul. And if you have any thoughts or feelings, good or bad, just observe them, no judging, bless them, thank them for participating, and let them go. And continue meditating on Sat Nam, keeping your straight spine, keeping your posture, keeping your eye focus, keeping your long, deep breath. I would love to know if you were able to stay focused on the mantra towards the end. Please leave me a comment, and if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and be sure to subscribe so we can make more content helping you become the best version of yourself.